Hello students, welcome back to your geography classes. So yesterday I explained you about the time zones and the standard time zones. I told you about the time zones that France is the country with maximum time zones, that is 12 time zones, and India is having just one time zone, and that is fixed according to the central meridian which crosses at Mirzapur, Allahabad. Then I told you about the standard meridian. I told you about the Greenwich Mean Time. According to the Greenwich Mean Time, the time of the whole world is calculated. Now today we are going to discuss about the Indian Standard Time. So I have told you so many times earlier also in the same chapter that Indian Standard Time is fixed according to one central meridian of India, and that central meridian or central longitude is 82 degree 30 east. This longitude crosses, you can say, most of the parts of India. This has been fixed as the central meridian of India, and the time of the whole India is calculated according to this meridian, that is central meridian. Now let us see that how much difference of the time is there between central meridian and the prime meridian. So prime meridian is at 0 degree and central meridian of India is at 82 degree 30 east. And as I told you that with one longitude there is an addition of 4 minutes if we are moving towards the east. So when we multiply 82 degree 30 east by 4, we get the result 330 minutes, and when we convert it into hours, then we get the result 5.5 hours. So India is, or central meridian of India or Indian time is 5.5 hours ahead of prime meridian. Okay, we are 5.5 hours ahead of the time of England. So that is the GMT, and our time is known as IST, that is Indian Standard Time. So IST is GMT plus 5.5 hours. Whatever is the time at GMT or at London or at Greenwich Mean Time, India will always be 5.5 hours ahead of it. For example, as it is given in the book also, that if it is 9 AM at London, what will be the time in India? 9 AM plus we will add 5.5 hours. So it will become 14 hours 30 minutes according to the 24 hours format, and when we convert it into 12-hour format, then it will be 2:30 PM in India. 2:30 PM in India. Okay, so whatever is the time, we just add 5.5 hours to that, and we will get the time of India. So remember this, that IST or Indian Standard Time is 5.5 hours ahead from GMT, that is Greenwich Mean Time. Now the next is, we are going to discuss this important thing, international date line. So not only the time but the date is also fixed according to the lines of longitude or according to the meridians of longitude. So as you know that 0 degree, that is the prime, all the lines of longitude are what? All the lines of longitude are semicircles, but when these semicircles join their diametrically opposite semicircle or other side diametrically opposite line of longitude, then they form a complete circle. For example, you can see here also. Okay, similarly, when the 0 degree prime meridian, it joins, which line is diametrically opposite to 0 degree prime meridian? That is 180 degree. So 0 degree prime meridian and 180 degree prime meridian, 0 degree prime, which is the opposite to which is the line diametrically opposite to 0 degree prime meridian, that is 180 degree longitude. So these two lines form the greatest circle. And now 0 degree prime meridian is used for calculating the time or fixing the time of the whole world, and 180 degree line of longitude is used for calculating the date, for fixing the date of not just one place but of the whole world. So 0 degree is known as prime meridian, 180 degree longitude is known as international date line. Okay, international date line. So now this is what these two form greatest circle, but half part, that is the 0 degree, is for calculating time, and the other side 180 degree is used for calculating the date of you can say of a particular place, and not just one place. We fix the date of the whole world according to this international date line. Now how do we do that? I am going to explain it to you. Now just look at this figure, this diagram. This diagram will make all your concepts clear. So this is prime meridian. You can see here, this is prime meridian just at the center of the earth. Now this is, you can see the earth has been in the maps, earth is represented on a flat surface. Earth is not like this. Earth is a sphere. So it's represented on a flat surface, so don't get confused by this. So if prime meridian is here, like the 180 degree longitude is just opposite to it, but when we represent it on the flat surface, then ideal, that is international date line, it comes here. This is 180 degree longitude. 180 degree longitude, it's coming here. Okay, if we will fold this book, we will see, if we make it as a sphere, then this line will come just opposite to 0 degree prime meridian. And as you know that towards the east we add, and towards the west we subtract. We add what? We add 4 minutes towards the east of prime meridian, and we subtract 4 minutes towards the west of the prime meridian. Now if we take a full circle of the earth going from east towards the west, when we reach the international date line, if we start from the international date line and we take a complete circle and finally reach again the date line, then there will be a difference of 24 hours. That means 1 day. Okay, because as you know that 180, if a full round is taken, it will be a difference of full 1 day, because this line, international date line, is located at this international date line. It is located at 180 degree longitude, and when we multiply 180 by 4, we get the result 72 minutes. And when we convert these 72 minutes into hours, then it becomes 12 hours. So towards the east of the prime meridian, there is a difference of 12 hours, and towards the west of the prime meridian, there is a difference of 12 hours. So areas which are towards the east of prime meridian, they are ahead, 12 hours ahead, and areas which are west of the prime meridian, they are 12 hours behind. Okay, 12 hours behind. So 12 hours towards the east, 12 hours towards the west, that comes to 24 hours. That means a day. So there is a difference of 1 day. Okay, there is a difference of 1 day when we start from international date line and then end up to the international date line, or if we start from the prime meridian and end up to the prime meridian. When we take a complete circle, there is a difference of 24 hours. So this is what, if this is, you can say, in 0 degree prime meridian towards the east, all in this area is you can say east. Eastern part is 12 hours ahead and western part is 12 hours behind. So 12 hours plus 12 hours equal to 24 hours. So this is what this line, the 180 degree longitude, 180 degree longitude is considered as the international date line. Okay, international date line, and the time of the date of the whole world is fixed according to this line only. Remember, this is at 180 degree, just diametrically opposite to 0 degree prime meridian. So towards the east a day is gained, and towards the west a day is deducted. Okay, so towards the west a day is deducted. But remember that this line of longitude, that is international date line, this is not a straight line. This is not the straight line. This line is, you can say, a zigzag line. Okay, it bends, the date line bends and goes zigzag at the Bering Strait, between Siberia and Alaska, and at Fiji, Tonga, New Zealand, and some other line. It's a zigzag line. You can see this in the figure which has been given on the next page, that this is a zigzag line. So remember, towards the east of the IDL, that is an IDL, that is international date line, towards the east of this line a day is gained, towards the west of this international date line a day is deducted. You can see this is bending at different places: New Zealand, Siberia, Bering Strait, and all these places this line is little bending. Okay, so this is about the international date line. Now in the next video we'll be discussing about some workout examples for determining the time, and I will explain you about the characteristics of great circle, small circle, and their uses, and then we will finish with the chapter. I hope you understood it. If you are not able to understand, then you can clear your doubt and ask me. Goodbye, take care.